Hello and welcome to another episode of PCS Current News. The topic of discussion is massive wildfire in the Pacific Palisades. A massive wildfire in the Pacific Palisades area of Los Angeles has consumed over 2,900 acres. The fire is visible from space as captured by the Copernicus Sentinel-2 mission. A state of emergency has been declared, leading to mass evacuations of tens of thousands of residents. The blaze remains uncontained, fueled by strong winds and dry conditions. Additional fires, including the Hearst Fire and Eaton Fire, are compounding the crisis in Los Angeles County. Before moving forward, Drishti IAS is elated to announce new offline batches at its Noida Center for IAS GS Foundation course covering both prelims and mains. The admissions are open for English medium batch, while Hindi medium batch is starting from 16th of January. For more information, give us a call at 87501 87501. Key details of the wildfire. Satellite images. False color composite images reveal the fire's intensity and smoke plumes near Santa Monica. Evacuation and damage. Thousands of homes threatened, widespread destruction reported. Weather challenges. Strong winds and dry conditions create a highly dangerous windstorm, complicating firefighting. Emergency response. Firefighters and emergency services are working relentlessly to contain the fire and protect lives. Broader implications. Climate change link. The wildfire highlights the increasing frequency and intensity of such disasters due to climate change. Environmental risk. Dry conditions and windstorms exacerbate fire risk in California's landscape. Community impact. Displacement of thousands of residents underscores the need for improved disaster preparedness. Policy action needed. Calls for stronger measures to combat climate change and reduce wildfire risk. Now it's time for the practice question. Where is the wildfire currently raging in Los Angeles? San Fernando, Pacific Palisades, Altadena, or Santa Monica? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe. And do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.